Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. Today we're gonna make the calculator in C++. So let's start. First of all, we need to make the functionality like addition, multiplication, division type. So we'll make a function out of it. Float addition, in which we will just give two parameter float A, float B. I'm using the float because sometimes the value will be become in point. The user will enter the values in point. Then how you gonna cater it if you could take it in an integer? That's why I'm just taking the values in float. This function will return a plus b. That's it. We'll just copy this function, paste it again, and here we'll just write subtraction, in which we're gonna just return subtraction. We can do that. Copy again, and we just need to change it to multiply, and here change the sign to multiply, division, and here just change it to division. So we create four functionalities over here: plus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's make a function called square root. We can square root, in which we will just give one value, float a, or that's it. And what this function will return, it will return the square root of a. That's it. Let's make a percentage function, float percentage, and it will return the percentage of two variables, float a, float b, the obtained value and the actual value. So how we can get the percentage? We just divide the obtained value with actual value, then we multiply with 100. That's our percentage formula. I'm just prioritizing that a divided by b will do first, then it multiply with the 100, and we just have to return behind it and semicolon. So these are the six functionality of the calculator we just created. Now the main function, let's come to the main function now. So in the main function we just have to get like the two floating values, float a and b. Let's say cout, enter the first value. We'll just copy this thing. Okay, there's like another over here. We just need to write scene a. We get this value. Now we'll copy it and we'll say enter the second value. It's not and, it's ended. After that we'll just change it to b. Now we have to get a third value, which will be our operational key. So let's say we'll take a string s, and in which we'll just say scene s, and we have to give them what operations are available to the user as well. So cout, enter the operation from, we'll just give them an option like plus, minus, multiply, divide, multiply, divide, percentage, and square root. We'll just give this six functionality to the user, so it will choose from these six functionalities. As you know, if the input is like one thing without space, we can get the input in with scene as well in string. So I'm just using this scene s. So now you can either do with the switch as well as you can do with the if and else condition. So now I'm just making this for the beginners, so I would recommend to do with the if and else condition. So if operation Now let's say if s is double equals to plus, then we will perform some function. Else if, I'm just making the whole condition so you can understand. If s is double equals to minus, then we'll perform some function. We'll just copy this thing. uh, else if works like that. If any of the condition above particular else if works, then it will not be checked by the compiler. Let's suppose if the operation is plus, so the first if will work and the remaining else if will not gonna be like checked by the compiler. So now plus subtraction. Now for the multiplication, we will perform some function again. Now for the division, now for the square root. That's why I took this string, because I have to write this as well, square root whole. Otherwise I can just take a single character for that particular all the values, because it's only one character. And one last thing is the percentage value. So here, so we just create an if else all the condition. That's it. Now we just need to perform the function. Cout, it's a one-liner code. Answer after addition is, after that we just have to call the addition function. In that we just have to pass that particular two variables. That's it. That's the answer. So we just have to copy this, paste it again, and instead of addition just write subtraction, and the function add will change it to sub. Now for the multiplication, just write it this way. Similarly, change addition to multiplication and add to multiply. Now for the division, same as before. Division, I like to code live just for the sake of the users to find it easily. So it's giving an error on multiply. Let's see. Okay, we just write it mult over here, so we just remove the t, so it's gonna be like easy. Now there is no error. We'll just copy again. After addition, we'll just say square root, and in there square root, and in square root we just give one function, one variable. That's the square root of one variable value. We can write as well like this: answer after square root first value, square root first value, and we'll just copy this and we'll just paste it over here, and here we'll just write second value, second value, and here square root and b. That's it. Our square root function is also complete. Now for the last thing, I just have to copy again for the percentage. So answer after percentage would be percentage our function percentage. I just have to delete this. It just shows suggestions sometimes. A and B, and that's it. Okay, that's it. We end with our function. So let's run it and check how the answer will come. So it will asking the first value, let's say 10. That's asking the second value, let's say 5. Now it's asking me the operation I want to perform. Let's say I want to perform multiplication. I just write multiplication. The answer after multiplication is 50. 5 into 10 is 50. I got the right answer. But what do you think? What you would say? I don't like it because we have to run again and again to make this function. How about we do a loop over it, like from here, we make a loop while it will ask like integer. Okay, checker. We'll make an integer over here, like integer checker is double equal to 0. No, we are just signing to 1. While checker is not equal to 1. Okay, we'll just write this, and the base is here. Now after every operation we will ask from the user cout, uh, do you want to perform more functions? 0 for no, and 1 equal to yes. Okay, which means that user will enter 1 if he wants to perform more function, and if he will enter 0 if he doesn't want to perform more function. So now let's run it again. So now I will write like 5.5, first value, second value is 2.3. Now I want the subtraction. This is the subtraction. Now I get the answer after subtraction 3.2. Now it's asking me, do you want to perform more functions? Write 0 for no and 1 for the answer, and 1 for yes. So let's say I say okay, I want more operations. I enter 1. Now what? From where we started the loop? Okay. Nope. 1 is for the end. I write it the otherwise. 1 for the no. Oh, okay, I can see that. 0 for the no. We will just change it over in the above. Change 1 over here and 0 here. That will work. Let's do it again. 2.2, 3.3 the second value. I will make the division. The answer after division 0.6. So do you want to perform more functions? 0 for no and 1 for yes. Let's say 1. Now it's asking me again the values again. Enter the first value, like I say 1, 5. The next value 6. Now it's asking me the operation I want to perform. Let's say I want to get the percentage. Like I get the 5 numbers out of 6. What percentage do I get? Let's say I get 83.33 percentage. It's saying, do you want to perform more functions? Yes or no? Let's say I will say, okay, I want more. I write 1. He will ask me again. He will ask me again the number of times which I want. So let's say 1 and 0, and I just want the addition. Now I just say 0. It will terminate the program. That's it for the today. I hope you guys like this calculator in C++. If you have any problem, do comment me in the comment box and let me know if you want to make any other type of video as well. And that's it. Bye bye. I hope you guys like. Do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.